male lions.
Oh.
He's trying.
Shame,
I
poor
am.
thing. Alright then.
Oh, that's not a good place to be.
Very upset with himself. All his brothers and sisters is laughing at him. Right?
Come on.
Poor boy.
So did we see these two?
It's a different pride.
No,
It's a different pride.
No, the
The
buffalo.
buffalo.
No, I doubt
These
it.
are not the two old ones.
No.
So how long would this buffalo have been dead for?
It's happened midday, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Around about midday, yeah.
So at what point do they let the cubs eat? Is it after all the lionesses?
No. The cubs will feed, irrespective of whether there's females or males present. Alright. Normally what will happen is the males will eat first, if there is males present, but in this case there's no males. And then the females and the cubs will eat.
Oh,
Almost, buddy. Keep turning like that. Maybe that helps. Okay, pushing.
I thought he was out
that's sad.
there. He'd fit some YouTube.
Well, he's trying everything.
Ik ken die wel iets op zitten in onze gat.
That's enough.
They're all gonna help.
She's trying to get him out.
Gotta be getting tired.
I hope they don't eat his head by mistake.
That's quite embarrassing. I wonder how he managed that.
He's gotta be tired, right? He tries hard and then he's tired.
So do they go for the intestines first, the internal organs first?
Yes. Like the lungs, the kidneys, the liver, the heart. Because that is very soft meat, lots of nutrients, they can consume it very quickly.
I guess that's it. They're not gonna help anymore.
Do they tend to eat the carcass?
Yeah,
they
they'll
will.
eat almost everything,
Oh,
except the very tough. You see,
That's
there
the
comes
liver.
the...
Liver?
That looks like a liver, yeah, you're absolutely correct, yeah.
It smells horrendous.
But look at these female stomachs, they're so full, they actually... It's disgusting how full they are. And they still try and eat. Look at the one at the back there, she's lying on her back and she's passed out.
Right.
Shame, this poor cub.
This cub, yeah.
Sorry? I'm not sure. I just found him this afternoon like that. So it's quite embarrassing. All the other lads must be laughing at him.
He could die.
He could, yeah. Could suffocate.
Yeah, he could be
I
tired.
suppose it depends whether or not they've ripped out all the...
If he gets out of it,
Internal
I bet
gubbing.
you he'll never do it again.
He's just been a bit inquisitive.
We can come look tomorrow and see if he's dead.
Yeah.
Well, if he's not dead, would they leave him?
I doubt it, but he'll die before they finish his carcasses. He won't be able to stay 2 or 3 days in there.